Okay, guys, my food is done, which is some fresh fried chicken and some fries I made in the oven. And for my sauce, I have some creamy ranch and I got some red devil cayenne pepper sauce. So we're gonna mix this here in a bowl here and stir. So stay tuned. All right, we have our ranch sauce in. Now we're gonna add in our hot sauce. Come on, get in there. Get in the bowl. All right, I'll be back. I gotta take this top off. You see, this top is preventing all the sauce from coming out. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, much better. I think that'll do it. Now we're going to stir. All right, we might need to make it a little hot because I like spicy. Whew, hopefully I don't burn my mouth and this won't kill me. Okay, spicy ranch sauce for this chicken. Okay, that looks good. And so does my food. It looked like it came from a store, but I made this, so I'm about to dig in. Hi, guys. So, this is not a mukbang, but maybe it could be. I don't know. But as you see in the previous clips, I made some chicken, fried chicken, and I made some fries that I put in the oven. So, and I also made me some spicy ranch sauce, and we're gonna test out our sauce. A1, A1. All it is some ranch and hot sauce. But it's bomb. TheBomb.com. Let's try it with this crispy chicken. Hey, you want some? Here, you can have some. Take a bite. Take a bite. It's nice and crispy. You don't want a bite? All right, sure. I'll take a bite. Look at that. Look at that. It's still hot. So good. Y'all hear that crunch? I know you're not supposed to double dip, but hey, it's mine. So, so good. So good. Look at that steam. Oh, y'all probably can't see it, but it's there. So good. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let's just check this off because So, how's everybody's day going? Mine is going good. These fries, I don't really care for, but it tastes good in this sauce. So, my hair don't want to cooperate. That's whatever. But I ain't complaining because this sauce, 2 ingredients, is bomb. Like, this almost tastes like the one that they sell at Taco Bell for their little chicken roll tacos, which is more like taquitos and whatever. But yeah, it tastes just the same, and I love it. So good. Gotta have another piece of chicken. Do you want a bite? You can have this piece. Because I know you're watching. You know you want some. Just take a bite. I'm sharing. Here, take a bite. You said no? Oh, well. More for me. Mmm. 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 I put my foot in this chicken this time. Mmm. Mmm. Seasoned to perfection. Nice crunch. Nice and golden brown. Bomb.com. Mmm. 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 I guess you can say I was bored. When I'm bored, I cook. So, mm, mm, mm. But this is also dinner. Chicken and fries, something simple. Cause I really don't gotta cook for a lot of people. It's just basically me and my other niece, but she's not here right now, so I'm eating dinner by myself and doing this little mukbang type video. But this chicken is bomb. So good, especially with the sauce. Like, whoo. Mm. Y'all don't know what y'all missing. Excuse my face. But this chicken is good. Hold on, I'll be back. I'm about to get. Okay, I'm back. I just cleaned up my face. About to tear back into this chicken. Man. I've been making fried chicken for a long time, but this batch right here is bomb. Like, I cook so much that even sometimes I don't even eat my own cooking. And this one right here, this one takes the cake. Like, I don't know what it is, but maybe it's that mustard that gives it that extra zing. But this chicken is bomb. Wow. Too much spice on that. I can't even. Whoa. I can't even talk. Oh, wow. I couldn't even talk. That is much better. Ooh, but you can still. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah, let's continue. Losing my voice at the same time. Oh. Too too much spice. Oh, whoa, you saw that my voice? But this is so bomb. Ooh, I pat myself on the back this time. Ooh. Comment down below if I want to see more cooking videos from me. How I don't mind sharing what I do best. If it ain't cooking or kids, I don't know. But see, my channel is like an all-around channel. kid friendly, not friendly. No, let me not say not friendly, because then you wouldn't watch. Duh. Overall, it had a lot of different content from cooking. I mean, I don't do cleaning videos because that's kind of boring. I want to see you clean. Nobody. Yeah, cooking videos, vlogs, challenges. Yeah, product reviews, unboxings. That be on the lookout because I got 2 on the way. Well, I don't know when it's gonna come out, but I just know I got 2 on the way. And honestly, I don't have an upload schedule because you can honestly see the past couple of days I've been. Ooh, look at the way the sauce sits up here. Don't that looks good? Like, yeah. I don't have an upload schedule. I used to when I first started, but now I don't. I just upload when I can. Or, yeah, upload when I can. If it happens to be 10 videos at one time, so be it. The more content, the better. So, anything to help put my views up, fine by me. I'm on it. Yes. Mmm. 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 Oh, bomb.com. Just enough spice, enough heat. Mmm. 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 Mm, 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 mm. Woo. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Making a mess everywhere. So good though. Mm. And if y'all also happen to try out my recipe, let me know how it came out for y'all in the comments down below. If y'all don't see this video up, it'll probably be up in the next few days. Never know. If y'all watching this video, just know I made this food yesterday. And if y'all also happen to make it, like I said, tell me down in the comments and tag me in your video, so that way I can react to it. Almost about done with these fries. And I don't even like fries like that, but these fries are bomb with this sauce. Like, bomb is my new word for food, because this right here is hitting. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Okay, this basically concludes the rest of this video. I'm gonna finish eating these last 2 pieces of chicken and chill and probably watch a movie. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that notification bell as you hit that subscribe button, and also comment down below if y'all would like to see more videos like this, because I don't mind. Any content is better than no content. So until next time, we out here. Peace.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.